Hello, and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. Today, I have got a 10-minute guided Darth Vader breathing meditation for you. So, if you have a Darth Vader mask handy, which of course I do, you can use that for a guide for our guided breathing meditation. So, what we're gonna do today is focus on triangle breathing. And for our model, we'll be using this beautiful mask. So for triangle breathing, we'll be breathing in through the nose for 3, holding for 3, and exhaling for 3. And we'll be focusing on that breath throughout the whole meditation. So if you need a guide, you know what you need to have, or you can just visualize a triangle, whatever works for you, and we'll get started. So as always, to begin, find a comfortable position. You can be laying down, you can be sitting up, you can have your back resting against the wall, as long as you're alert and you don't have any distractions around you. If it feels comfortable to do so, I always recommend closing your eyes, but if that's not available to you, go ahead and look down towards the ground or look at the end of your nose. That way you're focusing your attention inwards and not being distracted by anything else around you. So let's begin. If it feels right to do so, go ahead and close your eyes. And we'll just start with regular deep breathing. We'll go ahead and take an inhale in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose, out through the mouth. And one last time, in through the nose, and out through the mouth. We'll start to get a little more comfortable in our seat by relaxing down towards the earth, rolling our shoulders down away from the ears, relaxing our jaw and those micro movements around the eyes. To begin our Darth Vader breathing pattern, we'll be breathing in, holding, and exhaling in the shape of a triangle. To begin, we'll inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. Again, inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. Again, inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. And we'll follow that pattern, and you can just quietly count to yourself. If your mind has started to wander, that is okay. Again, we are just counting to 3 while inhaling, holding, and exhaling. Inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. Purpose of triangle breathing like this is to really focus on your breath patterns and slow down any stress in the body. Counting your breath is helpful for being in the moment and relaxation. Inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. And we'll just focus on doing that on our own. Again, if your mind has started to wander, that is okay, that's normal. Bringing your mind back to that breathing pattern of inhaling, 2, 3, holding, 2, 3, and exhaling, 2, 3. Again, this is a great breathing pattern to do. If you start to get angry, just like Darth Vader, you need to relax and cool down. Breathing in, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, and exhale, 2, 3. And again, we're inhaling, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, exhale, 2, 3. And now that we've spent some time breathing out our temptation of the dark side, we'll go ahead and do a couple deep breaths, breathing in through the nose and a long exhale out through the mouth. Again, breathing out that temptation in through the nose and out through the mouth. One last time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. If it feels right to do so, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute guided breathing Darth Vader meditation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.